So next we'll be taking a routine Legionella sample. A Legionella sample set consists of the Legionella sample in this bottle, the TVC total viable count sample in this bottle, is the same bottle as the Pseudomonas sample, and the copper and silver sample in this red lid bottle. So again, first make sure that you are at the right outlet as shown in the description in your bottle. Once you get to the outlet, again, make sure there are no leaks, there's no defects. If you find anything, please contact the state team and then look at the faucet, see if there's any scale build-up, and if it is, just please contact the domestic team who will take care of it. First thing to do when we get to an outlet is use a disinfectant that you will be provided and spray it in the outside and importantly in the inside of the tap, and let it dry out for 2 minutes so it takes its effect. Once the 2 minutes have passed, open it gently, make sure you don't create any aerosols or any big splashes. And once you're comfortable with the flow you're having, just let it run for 2 minutes. Obviously use a stopwatch or your phone to measure that time. Once those 2 minutes have passed, the first sample we will take is a Pvc sample in the small white bottle. Same as with Pseudomonas, open the lid, keep the lid in your hand face up, and fill up the bottle. Make sure you don't splash and make sure you don't overflow. So before it gets to the top level, just remove it and then close the lid. Next one, take the Legionella sample, the 1 liter bottle with the blue lid on it. Again, remove it, keep the lid in your hand face up, fill it up. Make sure you don't splash, make sure you don't overflow, make sure that the top of the bottle doesn't touch the tap. And once it gets to the fill line, just remove it, close the lid. And finally, the copper and silver sample, same process, open, keep the lid in your hand, fill it up, and just remove it and close it. And then close the tap, and that's it.